Hello everyone, today I'm going to be drawing little yachty, but I decided I would start a new YouTube drawing series where I draw rappers and famous people, except it's going to be in chibi style. So this is what I came up with so far. So yeah, let's just basically finish it up. Yeah, I've been like pushing myself farther into drawing, and I've been thinking, and I was thinking, and I thought, hey, I should do chibis, because I think they're pretty cute. And I didn't use any reference for this one, so most of my drawings, all my drawings, I usually use a reference. I'll look at it, draw. I usually spend more time looking at the picture more than drawing it. So, yeah. This one's custom, so I hope y'all like it. And, yeah. I'm not gonna bust something like it. Ooh. Everybody know next. Ooh. Here we go. And if y'all have any suggestions for a rapper I should draw a chibi of, tell me in the comment section down below, and be sure to share this video with your friends, share my channel with your family, as long as they're okay with the beep. Yeah, that hurts, because occasionally I'll cuss, and the songs in my rap, well, I haven't been playing music about drawing videos lately, because I've been trying to like keep it a little low on the cussing lately. I might start again, I don't know. But yeah, just if they're okay with that, play it, show it to them. And yeah. Yeah, share it with your friends. Tell them to subscribe. Show it to your friends at school. Whatever you want. And I'm thinking about making giving y'all my messenger like thing to where y'all can message me and send me the pictures of what you drew from the tutorials I make. So I'll see how y'all did, and see how good it looks. I bet all the ones y'all did are good. I mean, yeah. I'm gonna say anyone's art sucks, because every artist does their own thing, and I do YouTube videos. So, yeah. I love drawing anime. This is gonna be black, by the way. Erase it. Any questions about the art supplies I use, just comment and I'll make a video about it. Other than that, I guess that's all I have to say. Forgot to add little bead things. Shit. See, I just said shit. No, I said shit. Go ahead and shade this. I ain't gonna shade it too dark because it's gonna be black, and I want to use a marker, so I have to erase it. Just to get y'all guys to know, this is pretty cool. Tell me what y'all think of this chibi though, and be sure to like the video if you like it a lot. Yeah. I'm using a sketchbook, by the way, to draw on. The Fine Touch, that's what it's called, I think, the brand, Fine Touch. It's a sketchbook. It's my YouTube sketchbook. I filled up that one for y'all. I might give it away. No, just kidding. I don't know, if I can hit 1 million subscribers, I'll give it away to a lucky fan. And I'll give away some drawings. How about that? Which, I doubt I'll make it to 1 million subs. Oh, and be sure to subscribe, guys. Because we're almost to 200 subscribers. And that really means a lot to me. I want to reach that goal. 200 before it's Christmas. And by the way, before it's New Year's Eve. How about we hit it exactly when it hits 2018, guys? That'll be amazing. That'll be cool. That'll be our goal of 2018 is 200 subs. Our ending 2017 goal is 200. So be sure to share these videos because I'm really wanting to get to 200. So close, guys. We're at 175 right now. So yeah, be sure to do that. How much time we got? We got 5:33 on the time. I'm not gonna fucking bitch. I'm not hitting it on a bitch. No, next. Pencil's too sharp. Pencil too sharp, and I'm gonna play a harp, yeah. Pencil's too sharp, and my bitch playing on the harp, yeah. Playing this beat, it's so fucking, yeah. God, I can't rap. I can't make my own rap, so I can rap. Suck at making songs. But you suck at sucking songs. Wish you good luck at making songs. But I bet you don't give a fuck about songs. I'm not gonna fucking be this shit. No! By the way, this is Mary's 4B soft eraser that I used. It's very good. I had a kid request me to draw him. I can't draw you. Send me a picture once I set you off with that information. So where you can message me. And we're just doing the shirt. Yeah. Okay. I need to. Let's go ahead and draw his car with his necklace. Go ahead and do the eyes for y'all on the nose. I got fast cars, bad bitches, and designer's clothes, couple thousand on my wrist, and my neck is on for Spanish bitches, butt naked and they twerking. I love the Lil Pump Sniff song. That's a good song, Designer. It's my favorite one by him. We're low on time, guys, so I guess I'll cut off the video once this is shaded. Oh shit, 20 seconds. So yeah, guys, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, smash a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and see you in the next drawing video, guys. This is Lil Yachty chibi version, and see ya.